it's a lot easier to grasp it when you understand how it works. Another thing I want to talk about is the income rider. If your actual account value outperforms the income rider. And unfortunately, there's a lot of guys that don't. So. Hey there, welcome to the show. My name is John Stevenson, and I'm going to be talking to you about a client that I am helping today, actually, with an annuity. She wants to put $400,000 into it, and she is going to get $45,000 per year in guaranteed income the rest of her life. And this is if she waits 3 years. If she were to wait longer, she gets more. If she takes it earlier, of course, it's less. But she's doing this with Nationwide. It's a great company. It's actually the New Heights product, which is one of their best products. I mean, it's not the only, the Peak 10, that's a good one too. It just depends on your state, depends on how long you're gonna wait to take income, all of that. So anyways, I'm out here next to the Carson Valley River, and I just kind of wanted to show you what's available here as far as scenery. I talk about annuities a lot, but it's nice to be able to talk about it when you're around the water. So anyways, this lady's account, another thing I want to talk about is the income rider. The income rider itself grows at 9.5% every year. And it does it for up to 12 years. And she gets a huge bonus. Like there's I think 25% bonus as well. So she gets that in the beginning, then she gets the 9.5% growth. So her account, her pension value is $818,000. And then I want to say her withdrawal rate's like 5.5%, I think. I'd have to double check those numbers. But anyways, when those are multiplied against each other, that's what gives her the $45,000. And so it's important to know how these work. When you buy an annuity, you know you're getting lifetime income, but it's a lot easier to grasp it when you understand how it works. And you're buying an income rider when you get these lifetime income annuity products. And that rider gives you a whole lot of growth that's guaranteed for the pension value, not the account value. The account value will do whatever it does. But that is guaranteed for the pension value. And then the withdrawal rate is also guaranteed. The one thing I do like about this product, and I have talked about this before, is they do allow you to have more income than that if your actual account value outperforms the income rider. So if the account value for some reason makes more than the 9.5%, and when you decide to take income, your account value is actually higher than the pension value, then they're going to pick the higher of the two and give you that higher income. So you're already getting a high income regardless, okay? They're giving you a high contractual income, and it's based off of a huge growth rate. I mean, that's just a given, which is good. That's really important. That's why you buy it. You're not buying it for the hypotheticals. But for this particular annuity, she gets kind of both. I mean, she's able to get the guaranteed income at a high growth rate, and she's able to get the possibility of having even more income if it does better. So anyways, if you're looking for an annuity yourself, I'd love to help you. There is a link below this video, it goes directly to my calendar, or you can go to my website, johnstevenson.com, and look at all the options available for yourself. And then if you feel comfortable, you can reach out to me at that time and book a Zoom meeting, and we can chat. And of course, I'd love to sell you an annuity if that's what you're looking for. So would love to earn your business. Anyways, I try not to sell people on these. I do try to tell you what's available, but no one likes to be sold. So I want you to know that as a fiduciary, I take that very seriously. And it's important for me, for you, to be able to have transparency and be able to see everything that's available and not be sold something just because my commissions are at a certain level at a certain product and I want to sell more of that because I'm going to get more overrides, or I'm going to get more of this and more of that, or whatever, some stupid trip. Like, it doesn't matter. It really doesn't matter. You have to do what's best for the client. And unfortunately, there's a lot of guys that don't. So anyways, all right. Here is the creek once more. There's the beautiful fall colors. Up there, you probably can't even tell, but there's a little bit of snow up there that just hit last night. It's kind of in the middle of the trees up there, way up there. But anyways, it's beautiful. It is gorgeous, gorgeous autumn day. So breaks up the monotony coming out here and not being in the office all day, and be able to talk about real world stories of clients who are using annuities to better their lives and have a safe portion of their portfolio locked up for income. So anyways, hope this helps. I appreciate you. If you like the video, like, subscribe, share, comment below. And again, of course, if you want to book a call and talk about purchasing an annuity for yourself, there's a link below the video and on my website. So thanks again for watching. I appreciate you. We'll see you soon. Hey, I really appreciate you watching the video today. If any of it makes sense to you, or if you found value, or if you even got a question about anything, I hope that you'll go to the comments section and ask it. There's no stupid question, and I'm looking forward to hearing from you.